I'm going to go ahead and say, if you're thinking about joining Rachel Guo and her LinkedIn coaching, specialty coaching academy, she does get phenomenal results. I just don't think it's worth the price that she charges. Now, that's subjective. That's just my own opinion. But here's why I say that. I was working with a client who was setting up an automated LinkedIn outreach campaign. He ended up hiring her. He spent either $10,000, I think it was $10,000 to work with her. He was a career coach, and she helped him find his target market. She helped him write messaging, and she helped him set up his automated LinkedIn outreach campaign. And then they just let it rip. And they got a lot of responses. But that's because she works with career coaches and she knows the type of messaging that works, which is to reach out to C-level executives or VPs or director level executives and see if they want to get to that next level in their career. It's a very simple pitch. I have a friend who is a career coach also. He was doing it all manually, making $30,000 to $50,000 a month, just him and his wife reaching out to mid-level executives, asking them if they, number one, wanted their resume and LinkedIn profile to be rewritten, and number two, if they needed help going through his recruiting and coaching program to get them that next C-level or VP level position. So again, Rachel Guo gets phenomenal results. She knows the game, and the secret is really just automation and volume. Is it worth $10,000? I don't think so. You can go on YouTube, watch some free YouTube videos on how to set up automated LinkedIn campaigns and get the same results for a fraction of the price, just $100 a month. So that's what I would say. I'm not talking trash about Rachel Guo. She's got phenomenal results. She knows what she's doing. Her clients get great results. But if you don't want to spend the $10,000 of joining her coaching program, then watch some free YouTube videos. Now, if you need some help somewhere in between, just reach out to me. Either leave a comment or click the link in the description below. You can reach out to me and I'll send you my free book, The LinkedIn Lead Gen System. You can follow the steps there. I've earned tens and hundreds of thousands of dollars for myself using the exact same process, and my clients have too. So I'll give you the book for free. If you need help setting it up, reach out to me and we can come up with something together. But again, Rachel Guo gets phenomenal results. If you want to spend $10,000, have her team set everything up for you, then do it because you're going to get an ROI. But if you don't want to spend that money up front, watch some free YouTube videos or click the links in the description below. I'll give you my free book. You can follow the steps and get the results yourself. And if you need help setting it up with you, again, reach out to me at the link and we can come up with something to get you going at a much more economical price. But again, it works phenomenally well. And hats off to her for figuring it out. But I don't think you need to spend that much money. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and click the link in the description. Reach out. I'll give you my free book that my clients have used to earn hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue. And hopefully you get some results. Take care.